Hi you guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to be doing spring Easter Coquette nails. Right now it's very trendy and we're going to start off with Wardism Nude. This is a set that I purchased a long time ago off of Amazon. I really don't have all the colors to showcase right now. So it's just something that I have and I use in my Etsy store for any nude base that I need. So we're just going to go in with a nude base. I did do a total of 3 layers, secured 60 seconds in between each layer. So I'm going to let you guys watch my application for Easter. I actually don't celebrate Easter as much as I used to. I remember when we were younger, when we would go over our grandma's house for Easter, we'd go to church, and then normally in the morning or the night before, we would dye Easter eggs for me and my sister. And then my mom somehow would hide them all around the house. And then in the morning, we would do our Easter egg hunt before we got ready for church. And then we would drive to Danville to go see our grandmother and then go to her church in Danville, Illinois. I'm originally from Indianapolis, Indiana, but most of my family is from Danville, Illinois. So right now we're going to go in with two colors. Again, I'm using mostly all Beatles gel polish besides the nude. And I'm going to go in with the green. I'm doing a straight across French nail. Not anything too exaggerated, just something simple. A lot of it's going to be covered up anyway with the nail trims I'm going to put on. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of stepping as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of each color to all the nails. Three of them are going to be white, and then the other two are going to be green. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of nail stepping as well. As you can see, you can literally see the phone that I'm filming off of in the nail stepping plates. So I do apologize if that's a little bit annoying to you guys. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of Born Pretty nail polish, with just a stepping polish that I use. I pretty much use all Born Pretty nail stepping for any of my nail stepping projects that I do. And then I'm just going to apply that to my nail tip. With stamping, it's something that when you know, you know. I did have to practice a lot to get it down. It's a very light touch. You could do the roll method where you apply the polish and then scrape and then just roll down until you can get the image. It's a very light touch. I would never recommend that you Hulk smash it to try to get the image on there because it's never going to work for you. So you guys check out my community page. I did put a poll up for the my nail budget for the month of April. You can still leave it in the comment if you want, or you can go ahead and vote on my community page for a nail budget. I'm gonna leave it up for a couple of days, and then at some point I am gonna pick a budget and announce it. Like I said, I will take you shopping with me to see how much I can get within stick within that budget to see what everything I can get and stick within that budget as well. And then I'll have that video posted hopefully by the end of April. So this is the image. I'm going to use this to go over my French tip because I needed something a little bit extra. I forgot I even had these palettes. Like I said, a lot of my nail stepping kits I got from different kits and purchased a long time ago and just never really used them. So I'm just now somewhere to get to stepping and getting a little bit better into them and try to utilize them as much as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate my silicone molds. I thought I had a clip in here, but at some point I guess I lost it or took it out. I'm not gonna go back and try to edit it back into the video. But these are two nail charms. The nail molds that I used were purchased off of SD, and I'll have those linked below as well. Anything I use in the video, I'll have a link for it down below, and then I will also have a link for my SD store at the bottom as well. And then I'm gonna have a discount code generated for you guys as well. Again, my Esty shop is up and running, and I am promoting my Esty shop through my YouTube channel to my subscribers. So if you want to support me, just go look into my Esty shop and see if there's anything that you like. At the moment, I still do not have custom orders available. At some point, I will, but right now, I do not. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some details to the bunnies. And I did black demonic eyes for some reason. I don't know why I thought that was okay. But we're going to have a we're going to have a bunny with black demonic eyes. And then I'm just going to add in some detail with my lighter brush and fill in the bow and the cheeks as well. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate my bunny and my Easter egg with the molds. It was a silicone mold that I purchased off of Amazon. I know I wanted to do an Easter set. I just didn't know when I was going to do it or how. So when the Coquette fashion came along, that's something that I wanted to try. And I went ahead and went with it. So it's actually a fusion between Coquette and kawaii nails because of the nail charms as well. So in hindsight, it's a fusion. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and color my Easter eggs. So it was really fun to do. It just brought back memories and nostalgia of me and my sister dyed Easter eggs for my cousins the day before Easter. And like I said, my mom, she would somehow manage to hide them all around the house, and we would have a Easter egg hunt before we got dressed for church in the morning to go to Danville to see our grandmother. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and add my charms, and I'm flash coloring in between. That nail flash, it's really, really good. I would highly recommend it if you're looking for an updated version. I typically have the flower one, but right now I am using the Savalan flash. It's much better and very strong as well. So I have a link for that down below as well. After applying all my gems and my rhinestones, I'm going to go ahead and apply a generous amount of Beetle's Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to cure my lint for 60 seconds. And this is what they look like. Let me know in the comments what you rather this look. Do you like it or not? Either way, this was very fun to do. Like I said, it looks like Coquette nails are very big right now. So I went ahead and jumped on the trend to see what I can do with it. I actually like this look. This is something that I would do as a custom set. I will not have it on my shop. It's just something like if you wanted a custom Easter set, I will do that as well. As always, love you guys. Be kind to each other, and I will see you on my next one.
Schwarzkopf. Dare to tell your story with Keratin Blonde by Schwarzkopf. Lighten your hair up to 9 levels and protect it from breakage with our bond enforcing system. Let your hair tell your story. Schwarzkopf Keratin Blonde. What story would you tell?
Hi you guys, so in this one I am going to show you guys really quick how to use your Kim's personal nails. This is again available on my Esty shop. In the video itself I will have a link for everything down below, including a link to my Esty shop, and then also a discount code for you guys. So those are just some of the recent looks I do have that are available. Some of them are new. And then this is everything that you get in the kit as well. You do receive a prep kit with 2 alcohol pads, nail tabs, nail glue, buffer, file, toothpick, and instructions on how to apply and prep. You also receive 2 free gifts. You receive a cuticle nipper and cuticle oil. Those are 2 free gifts that you receive in each order. And then I'm going to show you really quick how you apply the personal nails. Now, because I do videos, I didn't go ahead and do my normal prep. If you want a normal prep, you would have to push down your cuticles and remove the shine off your nails, and then use one of the alcohol wipes to remove any residue and dust off your nails, as well as dehydrate. And then at that point, you can either decide to use the nail tabs or you could use the nail glue. My preference is the nail glue. This set is an extra large. Extra large can fit anybody My sizes are universal. Typically for press-on nails, I know I'm a size 4 for most of my fingers, and then my thumb is always a size 0. So for me, I could fit an extra large. If you don't know your size, most adults can fit an extra large, between an extra large and a large. So if you don't know your size, I would say just go ahead and go through a large. It'll fit a little bit big, but you could always file around the cuticle area to get them to fit right. And then at the same time, my nails are very affordable. Again, my nails range from $25 to $30, depending on the length. Um, Basic colors, I do have some sets where I do a design, easy design 10-piece set. I will do more upon availability if you guys are looking for that. At the moment, at this time, I do not have a way to do custom orders, but at some point I will have that available, so that way you guys are able to do custom orders as well. So anyway, let me know what you guys like. If you like this product, in the comment section. If you've purchased anything from me, let me know how shipping went. So I do want to try to push my product out more through my YouTube channel.